Here are my reasoning on my theory of why I think Astrodude and his boss or Houston are related to each other. Okay, first of all, to clear some things up, this is just a theory. Anything I say in this video isn't canon in SolarBalls. To start this off, I made this theory when the video Earth Alone was first posted. And while I was watching it, I noticed something. At the end of the video where Houston raised his arms in the air, I noticed that his hat also jumped in the air too. I was pretty curious to see if I could get a peek of what was under his hat, since Houston was always wearing it all the time. And when I paused right at when his hat was high enough to see at least something, I noticed that Houston had two lines on top of his head. And you might say, so what? Well, if you pay more attention, don't those lines look a bit familiar? Doesn't it look a lot like Astrodude's stuff on his head? Not to mention that Astrodude got his stuff from his dad. And there was a time that Alvaro once said that Astrodude's name would be a plot point of the story. And the time that Alvaro almost showed Houston without his hat once on his live stream, he seemed kinda scared for some reason. But why? There could be a chance if people saw Houston without his hat, the community would definitely put the pieces together fast. And here is my answer for people and why I think they're brothers and not father and son to each other. If you saw the episode The Moon Landing, you can see Astrodude make a doodle version of one of his past memories, and we get to see his dad show up for a few moments. It's pretty clear that his dad and Houston look nothing alike to each other. Not to mention Astrodude is probably in his 30s in present time. For his dad, he by then already have white or gray hair already, or he's dead. But unlike Houston, he still has his hair color, but he is old too, so that means he will have gray hairs but not old enough to have full white hair. Also, Astrodude's dad is balding. Anyways, thank you for watching, and remember, this is just a theory. A SolarBalls theory.